Welcome to Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm R.K. Walker here at the New York Stock Exchange, bringing you a review of this week's stock market. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 broke record highs this week, and the NASDAQ reached a 13-year high as well. The second quarter GDP grew at 1.7% annual rate, the Commerce Department reported, beating the first quarter's downwardly revised 1.1%. This is the third straight quarter of GDP growth below 2%. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve announced that they will hold interest rates near zero and will continue buying $85 billion in bonds every month while the economy continues to improve at a modest pace. The committee also reiterated that these exceptionally low interest rates are appropriate as long as unemployment remains above 6.5% and inflation remains below 2%. On Friday, the Labor Department figures released showed an increase in non-farm payroll jobs of 162,000 last month. This was the smallest gain in 4 months. Economists were expecting a gain of 185,000. Also, the unemployment rate dropped to 7.4%. Market watchers considered these numbers disappointing. However, the major indices didn't move much on the news. Yelp's second quarter earnings are in, and Wall Street was pleased. The internet review site beat the street's expectations with losses of 1 cent per share on revenue of $55 million. Yelp's shares surged on this news. Facebook has shown huge gains in the past week, largely based on healthy Q2 earnings results and significant improvement on monetizing mobile users. And advertising on smaller screens comprised about $656 million of the company's $1.6 billion in ad revenue. Uranium Energy Corp, NYSE ticker UEC, surged 48% in July. The company announced on Wednesday that they entered into a $20 million senior secured credit facility with Sprott Resource Lending Partnership and CEF Limited. Amir Adnini, president and CEO, said the capital infusion creates a partnership to develop strategic ties in Asia, the fastest growing market for nuclear power. Finally, investors are watching Delcath Systems Inc., NASDAQ ticker DCTH, for a potential rally. Delcath is anticipating an FDA ruling on its Melblez system by September 13th. Melblez is designed to treat cancer by delivering high doses of chemotherapy drug melphalan directly to the liver while controlling exposure to the rest of the body. Delcath has asked for FDA approval to use the system for treating inoperable cancer of the eye. Currently trading around 40 cents, the stock has fallen from $14 in 2010. This is Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm R.K. Walker. See you next week.